Greeting dear children. We are doing exercise 8.1. It's question number 8. It is given ABCD is a rectangle and its diagonal AC bisects angle A as well as angle C. Angle 1 equal to angle 2, angle 3 equal to angle 4. Right? And we have to prove ABCD is a square. If I have to prove it's a square means what is required? If its adjacent sides will be equal, that rectangle will be a square. Now, we have to also prove diagonal BD bisects angle B as well as angle D. So, let us start with first part, step 1. I want to prove ABCD is a square. See, this is a rectangle and that rectangle whose adjacent sides are equal is a square. So somehow I have to prove adjacent angles of one triangle. If two angles anyhow they will be proved equal, then it will be these two adjacent sides are equal because they are the sides opposite to equal angle. So I am starting with this step कि ABCD is also a parallelogram. Each rectangle is also a parallelogram. Na? ABCD is a rectangle, also a parallelogram. If it's a parallelogram, then angle 1 will be equal to angle 4. Why? Tell me, these are alternate angle. But angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Why? It is given angle 1 is equal to angle 2. It is given. Therefore, by these two equations, by equation 1 and by equation 2, angle 2 will be equal to angle 4. Angle 2 will be equal to angle 4. Now, in triangle ABC, angle 2 is equal to angle 4. This is proved above. So, sides opposite to equal angle will be equal. That means, therefore, angle 2 के opposite BC is equal to AB. Reason being, sides opposite to equal angle are equal. So, now adjacent sides are equal. In rectangle ABCD, adjacent sides AB equal to BC. So it's a square. Got it? It was easy because we have proved adjacent sides of the rectangle are equal. So it means this will be a square. That's it. Now for the second part, we have to prove BD bisects angle B and angle D. Step 2, to prove diagonal BD bisects angle B and angle D. Now, I will join this diagonal BD, and now because just now we have proved it's a square, it means this side is equal to this side, right? Adjacent sides are equal, so angle 5 will be equal to angle 6, right? Angle 5 will be equal to angle 6, angle 7 will be equal to angle 8. But 5 is equal to 8 angle y. Why angle 5 and angle 8 are equal? They are alternate angle. So it means 6 and 8 and 5 and 7 will be equal. And it means diagonal BD bisects angle B as well as angle D. Let us do. It is given in triangle BCD. DC is equal to BC by sides of square are equal. We have proved now it's a square, sides of square. Therefore, angle 5 will be equal to angle 6. Similarly, in triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, AB, in triangle ABT, in triangle ABT, AB is equal to AD, therefore angle 7 is equal to angle 8. But what? 5 is equal to 8. 5 is equal to, or you can say 5 is equal to 8. If 5 is equal to 8, that means 6 is also equal to 7. है ना? These are equal. If 5 is equal to 8, it means if I am putting here 5, then 5 and 7 are equal. 5 and 7 are equal. है ना? But angle 5 is equal to angle 8. Alternate angles. Putting in 3. Putting in equation 3. Angle 8 is equal to 5 की जगह पे I have put 8. Angle 8 is equal to angle 6. Angle 8 is equal to angle 6. So this means angle B is bisected. Similarly, we can prove angle 5 is equal to 7 or angle D is also bisected. Hope you have understood this also. The simple thing is we have to take into mind that in rectangle, square, they are also kind of parallelogram, and when they are the kinds of parallelogram, it means their adjacent angles will be equal, their alternate angles will be equal, their corresponding angles will be equal, co-interior angle will be supplementary. Any of these things can be used to prove these theorems. So, thank you. Hope you have understood.